Hi everyone, here's Fellyph. So I'm just walking now to the WordCamp Thessaloniki. So today we're gonna have the event with two tracks. Basically will be one track in Greek and another track in English, and it will be really nice to see the community here in Thessaloniki. So I'm really excited. Yesterday we have a dinner with the organizers and the speakers. It was nice to see everyone. Yeah, and I think it's something really common that happen in other countries as well. So here a few organized from WordCamp Athens. The organizers are also contributing with Thessaloniki. So the south and the north of Greece, they are like work together. So in 1 year they were like swapping 1 year in each city, but now they did it for the first time, the two conferences at the same year. So and today we are expecting like 350 attendees, and yeah, let's see what's happening today. So I will come back when I got at the event.
So, talking about the event was really nice. It was 2 tracks. The venue was amazing. It was like in front of the sea. So we have like 2 tracks, the main stage and a second stage. I think the event was around like 350 attendees, and there we have talks in English and in Greek. I watched just like 2 talks in Greek, but the slides were in English. That helps as well, and that helped to like get a bit of context over the talks. So on the English part, the first one that I saw was a talk with Sharon. So I think they bring like really useful tips if you want to manage your content, because the main point over the talk was, yeah, it is nice if you publish something, but it is so much better if you keep tracking that. One tip that Sharon shared with us was, if you have like a keyword that like performs really well, getting loads of impressions, you need, but the CTR is really low, so you need to check if your keyword match with the content of the search. For example, sometimes the people search about a specific subject, but your title and your description doesn't match with that term. So just have a look on that. And after that, I saw a talk with Dian. Dian is from Bulgaria, and he also is involved with the community in Sofia. So Dian talked about how you can create content with WordPress, how you can use WordPress and videos together to produce content. The idea for his talk, he just showed the steps that he used to create videos. Like, for example, when he creates a content, before he creates something, he creates like bullet points to answer in his video, and those bullet points also helps him to be more directed to the subject and close the content like in 6 minutes. Don't avoid the main content, and also like keep focus on the message. And another talk that I saw in English was a talk from Sergey. Sergey worked with Yoast and worked remotely from Russia, and his team is based like around the world. Like Yoast is one of everyone knows Yoast. So his talk was about well-being, how he's managed his time, and how he organized and be productive when he's doing like a home office. So he brought like things, for example, personal problems that he got and how he's managed his schedule, and make a list, for example, for stuff that you need to use. And the main thing was like create a list, the things, the place that you can go, and for example, has a plan B always for if something goes wrong, just use that place as a plan B. Also use different places to you feel at work. And when you have those 3 steps, they like define clarification and organization over your task, you can like easily close the task. So, and also about the whole team, the whole volunteers, the whole organizers, the whole attendees. They are like really cool. I think one thing for me that was like the main point, the star over the event was the whole attendees, the vibe that we had there. Everyone was so welcome. The volunteers were so welcome. The whole team is like between those two cities, and it's what's really nice to see the work that the Greek community has done. Like since 2007, they started like doing events and also produced like WordCamps. A few organizers they have done like 5 WordCamps already just here in Greece. The whole team was really amazing. Like I felt so welcome. Like thanks Evangelia, Fortes, and Fontaini. Sorry if I mispronounce your names, but I really thank you for the whole time that I have in Greece. And also the whole speakers that I have a chance to talk. So Mirto, also the suggestion about place to go. Arete as well, thanks for your time. I talked with Arete for a long time there. And yeah, it was really cool to see everyone there and share, and the whole attendees as well. The time that I spent with them, like after my talk, and the feedbacks that I got. So I think my talk, I felt that the audience received really well with the questions. Everyone participated with my talk, like everyone contributed with my talk. It was the first time that I had done that talk, and I think also the attendees helped you for get that content and deliver that. And so I think now we're gonna close. I hope that I come back soon here. Next year I will looking for the WordCamps here in Greece. So depends on my agenda. But if I have availability to come, for sure that I will come again to here. And that's it. See you guys and see you next time.